Hi everyone, this project builds a biomedical knowledge graph by integrating MeSH concepts with clinical trials.gov data. Knowledge graphs represent entities and relationships in a structured way. In biomedical research, data is scattered across many sources, so connecting these datasets helps researchers better understand relationships between diseases, treatments, and clinical studies. The pipeline starts with two data sources, MeSH, which provides biomedical concepts, and clinical trials.gov, which provides structured clinical trial data. Both datasets are ingested into Azure Databricks, staged as delta tables, and then fused together to build a unified knowledge graph. After ingestion, the datasets are prepared for graph construction. We stage mesh ripples, clinical studies, conditions, and interventions, which together form the base entities used in graph. The knowledge graph construction, so here the graph is built using RDF triples, which follow the structure, subject, then predicate, and then finally object. For example, a trial can be linked to a condition or an intervention based on different criteria. After integrating both datasets, the graph contains over 52,000 triples. This chart shows the most common relationships in the graph. These include labels for biomedical concepts, links between trials and conditions, and metadata such as study titles and start dates. The graph contains four main node types: MeSH biomedical concepts, clinical trials, conditions, and interventions. Together, these entities create a network that connects research studies with diseases and treatments. Finally, the graph is visualized using networkx and plotly. Each node represents an entity and edges represents the relationship between them. This interactive graph allows the researchers to explore connections between clinical trials, diseases, and interventions. Overall, the project shows how biomedical datasets can be fused into scalable knowledge graphs using PySpark and open source Python tools on Azure Databricks. Thank you.